In the beginning, life was created. The Trichophore stage begins approximately 12 hours after fertilization. The larva hatches from the egg. This is the larva. Trichophore larvae possess cilia so they can swim. They move into the planktonic areas of the surface waters, where they filter feed on phytoplankton. After about 12 hours, the trichophore begins to develop a shell and develop. The veliger stage. Over the span of a week or so, the veliger larva develops a foot to become a ped veliger. The veliger still lives in the surface waters, feeding on the plankton. The shell is developing during this stage. This stage lasts about a week. The ped veliger stage. The ped veliger stage lasts about 1 to 2 weeks. During this stage, the ped veliger larvae finishes developing a foot. Sinks to the seabed and settles on suitable substrate. The ped veliger's foot is what helps it attach to the substrate. The ped veliger still lives in surface waters. It uses the foot to crawl along the seabed, searching for the suitable substrate, such as a coral reef. The adult phase. For 2 to 3 years before the giant clam is fully mature, it goes through the spat phase. The spat is just a small version of the adult that grows for several years before becoming sexually mature. The pearls have not dropped. When the clam reaches sexual maturity, it initially spends 2 to 3 years as a male before developing female gonads and becoming a hermaphrodite. By this time, the giant clam is situated with other giant clams in the area, rich with food and near other individuals for breeding.